Hello everybody and welcome to Dan's Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be checking out a new set of studio speakers. Now these speakers are from a company called MAudio. So what we're going to do is we're going to rip open the box, have a look at the speakers, run through them, and then I'm going to set them up and see what they actually sound like. So before I go ahead and rip the speakers out of the box, I've gone for the MAudio BX4s. Now these are 4.5-inch speakers. Now they are low frequency drivers as well, so great for music production, live streaming and podcasting, and they also come with the first generation of M tools. Now they have also teamed up with Avid as well for this to give you some extra plugins. So let's go ahead, get them out of the box and actually run through what they look like in person. And they're actually quite lightweight as well, which is going to be very handy for placing them where you want to. So let's check out the cables that you get with them. Now you get a 3.5mm or 1/8 jack to obviously the auxiliary. You get a power cable, and you do get two 3.5mm to 3.5mm male cables, obviously to connect speakers to your PC, or 1/8 inch as well. Now let's actually get a speaker out and have a look at it itself. And whilst I'm here, you get your manual, which I would assume has the Pro Tools key in there, and you do get some foam feet as well to put these speakers on. So the first speaker I actually want to have a look at is this one. So ripping it open, attack this well. So here's the speaker itself. Now, like I said, this is a 4.5-inch. It comes with the Kevlar line around the speaker itself. You've got a really nice on and off button. That also clicks, so obviously you know when you turn it on and off. You do get the auxiliary in, and you also do get a headphone in as well. Now, moving on to the back, and you do get your auxiliary ports in. You do get your balance for both speakers, and you can adjust the highs, the lows, and the mids off the back of this speaker. Now, you do also have a switch here, left and right. Now, this is for the active speaker positioning. But yeah, overall, these are quite lightweight. MDF frame feels really, really good. So what I'm going to do is set these up, play some music, and actually see what they sound like in person. So then, as you heard, the speakers sound really, really good, and yeah, overall really, really happy with them. Now you may be wondering if these are going to be for you. Well, if you're a videographer, content creator, music producer, even doing music on the side, or you want a really, really good pair and decent pair of studio speakers, then these are going to be for you. Now they aren't the cheapest around, they do come in around about £100 at the time of recording this video. Like I said, I will have an affiliate link in the description down below, so do go and check out for yourself before you do purchase them. If you do purchase them and you use the affiliate link, then thank you ever so much in advance. It really does help out the channel, gives me a little bit of a kickback, and means I can bring you more videos like this. However, that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave any thoughts or questions that you do have in that comment section down below. And go ahead and share the video, guys. It really does help out the channel. Now, one thing I need you to do before you go is go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And if you want to come and say hello to me, my social media links are in the description down below as well. Discord is free to come and join, so there will be a link there. And give me a follow on Facebook and Twitter. Like I said, that does it for me today, and I hope to see you all in the next video.